Hi friends, this video shows how to create a kids profile. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. And this is the active Google TV account, Anna. Go down, here you can see add a kid. Select it. Select get started. And select your device account. So I am going to create this kids account under this Anna Maria Google TV account. Select it, and it says there is already one account, kid1. If you want to use that, you can select it. If you want to create another kids account, you can select add another kid. Now it's initializing, please wait. Then you can enter the name here. Let me enter kid2. Age 8. Submit. Go down, select these agreements, select I agree. See, now it's creating account, authenticating. So if you want to set pin for this account, you can select next. So I'm not going to set new one. Let me try to use existing pin. Use existing pin. Then type that existing pin. Done. Select next. And here you can select the apps that you want to install into this new kids account. Then select continue. Let me skip this. Then select next, done. Let's go. Done. See, now account is ready. Account name is kid2. See, let me go to switch account. Here you can see that new account kid2. So this way we can create new Google TV kids account or profile. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.